Okay, welcome to this channel. First, in order to install the we have to configure the Java, then Java installation. We will download Java from the official website Oracle, and then after Java installation, Hadoop configuration. So let's get started from Java environment variable configuration. After Java installation, we have to add the Java into system environment, then Hadoop file system configuration. Hadoop, we have to download Hadoop, then extract to into the C folders. Then in order to install, we prerequest Java installation. It is needed to install the Java version first in for Hadoop installation. So when RAR is used to extract the file, you have to install the RAR extractor for this tutorial. Then let us get started from in order to download the Java. You will say on the browsers JDK, then JDK development kit Oracle official website. So this is Java official website. You will download this one for Windows 10 or for Windows. Yes, for Windows you will see like this after the website is open. So scroll the bar, then you will click on the window button. You will see this is 3 optional Java configuration file to install. Then you will click one of the from this 3 file. So for the first one, it is window archive file. Then for 64, you will download this one. It is needed to sign in into this Oracle account. If you don't have an account, you have to create a new account for this one. Then I will download like this. If you don't have any account for this Oracle account, you have to create a new one, unless you didn't get Java JDK. So let us download it. Download it started. Then after finish, it will be like this one. So you have to have an Oracle account in order to download for this Java. If you don't have account, you have to create a new account. Okay, so I already have a Oracle account and sign in into the account. That's why is after download it, we have like this in this one JDK, like this one we have JDK. So we want to install it. Just right click or double click on it, and it will come the installation file like this. So this is why, because I have already installed the Java. We will see the Java installations. Then we'll select the one. So first, in order to install, you have to change the installation file. First, you have to create the Java file in the C. You have to create this Java folder. Then you have to change the direct installation directory, because any program in the default it will start in the program file. Then you will click the next button. So let us look in this one. Here it is where the installation, you see Java is installed, but officially it will start in the program file. Look in this one, program file. You will open the program file and find the Java, but this is the default installation directory. Here it is the Java. Oh, yeah, it is a Java. So here it is uninstalled like this one. So we have to move this folder, JDK folder, into one we created in the local C directory. Move to these local C directors. Okay, then select the file location, browsers, by browser, then you will find the C director into this C Java. Then window installation is Java, this PC, and then local C. So you will find the Java here. You will click Java, then so you will move this file. After that you will see like this one. After that JDK is come to this, and then it is local C Java. Your JDK is like moved into this director. So once you have done this, the next step is to edit the system environment. We have to add we have to add the Java into system path. So in order to open this one, you have to press the window button, and then we'll say edit system environment, edit system environment, like this one. Look, edit system environment, click, then open. So you have to so like environment variable, click environment variable, then you will add in the new one, create new, then will variable name will say Java home, and then for this one, for variable value, we will select it from where? From the C director where our Java file is moved to, like previous, and then click here and then click bin, and then we will click in the path, and then Control C, hit Control C and copy. So here paste in here, paste. So then okay, so okay, you will say okay, and the next step is to add this variable. So we have to add in this environment variable system path. Click on the path, this path, it will automatically, then we will come up new, then Java's bin. Okay, then okay. So now we have to say sorry, okay, then okay, then okay again. So now we will open the command promote cmd and run as administration. So that we will say Java C, right? The Java C, and hit enter. It will be like this one. Easy set it because you see here it is, the Java command, the Java installation verification. Then in order to see the Java version installed in our window, we'll say Java underscore version, hit enter. Then Java version like this one. My version is like this one. The next step is Hadoop. Download Hadoop from official Hadoop website, the Apache Hadoop. Then it will come like this. Then that will say download button, like hit download button. Then we will download the binary, download this one into it, will redirect to this site. So you will download this one for 124 megabytes. So here it is. After downloaded, we have a repo, see in this one. Then extract this file into like previous extract file. We'll say extract file into C director like that. We'll select this this computer, and then local C, then okay, like okay. So here this extract is after finished extract, we have this all file. So the next step is before we have this repo in Java, like we have in the C file. Okay, so in a repo we have to edit for configuration file. The first one is core site, hadoop hdfs-site, MapReduce, okay, MapReduce and the yarn files, yarn site, MapReduce site, and then the other is the Hadoop environment for the Java installation. So we need 5 items. These 5 we have to edit this file in. So for this file, Hadoop configuration file is already this. I will upload in this 4 file in my Google Drive. So what you need is you have to edit only hdfs and then Hadoop environment. For this one, you will see like this if you open in this notepad. Okay, so this configuration file, by default it is empty. Okay, you have to paste this, copy and paste this one into your core site, like any hdfs. You will edit in this environment. So in this one you will create in Hadoop data node and the data node, name node and the data node. First we will create one directors in this Hadoop, like we'll say we'll create new one, then we'll say data, we'll rename this file, and then we'll say data node and the name node. We have to create in this file. After that we will have data node, name node in the data folders. Okay, so the next step is after we create that, the next step is the MapReduce site, editing variances environment. You will write this following command or write this command in this MapReduce site. The other ones here in file, here edit in the notepad, and then you will have to set this property for the configuration. Okay, after we edit for all this, for this 4 file, we have to create this one in, then in etc Hadoop. Okay, the other one is hd, this one. Okay, edit with notepad. We have to set the Java home for this file. Okay, this Java cell, how do we set? We will come up in the folder, in the root folder C, like this one, C, then click on the Java, then click on JDK, then copy this path. Okay, copy this path, Control C, and paste here. Okay, paste here, and then okay, right. So now save this file, save. Okay, you have to press save, and then we'll close all this file. So now in the Hadoop file, we will go to in Hadoop, you have to delete these folders. Okay, delete this folder. In this Hadoop fixed bin, you have to extract this file into. After you delete that, you will have to extract this folder into. Select the Hadoop. It is fixed because after that we wouldn't have to worry about the Java, and the Hadoop was not connected either, Java something error. So that's why most of time Hadoop was not configured correctly. Okay, after that we will have to add this system path, like in previous it is system environment. Okay, like environment variable, you will select the new, then the variable Hadoop home. So for variable, just like we did for Java, you will go to this folder and then copy bin and copy this path, Control C, and then copy paste into here, right? Then press OK. So the next, after this is the next is add the environment variable. So this path we have to add new system path, system bin, and then like this, and then another file is system or repo. Go to this folder and then for system bin copy this path, and sbin is here, and then copy like this, and copy, then paste here, then hit OK. So now this editing system environment is okay. Then after that you will delete this file, then extract this fixed bin into that folder. Okay, I will upload these two files in my Google Drive, so you can download from the below links, and then into Hadoop, then okay. So now we will have like a bin folder, this fixed bin folder, it is free from any error. I will upload this this file into Google Drive. You will download from the below links. So now we will have CMD, right? CMD, you will say run as administration. That's why it is needed to. So like this one in previous, you will come to cbin, select this one, Control C and Control C, select the Control C and then CD, then hit enter. Now you have to format the repo again, hdfs repo from this, and Control V, then enter. Okay, so it will start like this one after repo is formatted, right? We have this file, then now it is finished, and then we will say start underscore all.cmd, all repo configuration file will start like this. We have first, you have to make sure this all these three, name node, data node, and yarn resource manager and yarn node manager. This three file is will have to stay, right? If it's not working, if this name node and data node is not here in this toolbar, it will not working, right? So After that we will come to officially select this one, and or you are right, open the browsers and http localhost is 49870. We'll say that, and it will come up like this. So our repo is configured correctly. It is parsing, that's why it is take in a progress. Congratulations, now your repo is done. But for another file, you will download those configuration file if you need from the below link. Okay, it is being processed in 75%. Now we will, for Hadoop clusters, you will select this one and copy paste. I will upload all this file. You will download from Google Drive. It will open. So here it is, cluster function. You see all application. So it's a depot. Okay, so if you have this file, so congratulations, now it is already done, right? So data node information is here. After that we will have one project. Okay, for this one what you need is counting the word. Is okay. I will upload all this file into Google. So what you need is Hadoop configuration. So most of them times this Hadoop was not successful inside because of this two folder. For example, for configuration, the bin folders and etc Hadoop all sys core site and core site HD environment, hdfs-site, all this XML file, and the MapReduce, and the yarn file, yarn site. You have to edit this 5 file correctly. So I have this file configured, all this file free from error. So what you need is you have to edit only 2 file, hdfs, and so I will upload the configuration file. What you need is you will edit to this file only, Hadoop environment and the hdfs. Okay, the rest is you will stay as it is, like this one, editing environment, because these 2 files it is subjective to your environmental variable in Java home, because your Java version is also different from mine. That's why you will have to edit these 2 files, unless Hadoop will not be configured correctly. The other is HDFS. We'll open HDFS like this one, because in Hadoop configuration you will write these 2 files, data node and the name node, right?